Crocodile puppet. Create your very own crocodile puppet. Download and print our template or draw your own on card. For this craft you will need crocodile puppet template, green tissue paper, red felt tip or crayon, glue and scissors. Cut out your crocodile template including the eyes, tongue and handles. Fold and glue the end tabs of your handles and attach in an arch shape to the top and bottom of your crocodile. To decorate, collage your whole crocodile using green tissue, paper scraps and glue. Don't forget to leave your crocodile's teeth white. Now carefully cut your triangle teeth and fold all the teeth inwards to create your crocodile's sharp bite. Colour in your crocodile's tongue using red felt tip and stick inside your crocodile's mouth. Now colour in your two eyes with a red felt tip and fold each eye along the fold line. Finally, stick your two eyes on the top of your puppet so your crocodile eyes pop up. Your crocodile puppet is now ready to snap, snap, snap.